Welcome to our video guide on managing the Store Locator module. With this tool, you can provide your customers with easy access to your store addresses, both physical and online. To get started, access the admin area of your website and install the Store Locator module via the App Shop. Once installed, head over to the Modules and Extensions tabs to manage the module settings. Find the Store Locator and click Edit. In the Settings section, toggle to enable the module. Input your Google Maps API key, latitude, and longitude to precisely mark store locations on the map. Don't forget to adjust the zoom value for optimal viewing. Now, use the Details section to include essential store information. Click the Add Row button to add store name, short description, URL, address, latitude, and longitude. If needed, you can delete a row by clicking the bin icon. Once you're done, click Update to save your customization. Congratulations! You've successfully installed and customized the Store Locator module. Your customers can now easily locate your stores, whether they're browsing online or planning an in-person visit. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials.